Deal Surgeons, Elite Masterminds, what's going on? This is Diamond Life. And yeah, so this is, um, I would just want to show how I actually do the videos because on the last video that you guys should check out, the Trader Psychology series, I was just basically saying let the brain figure it out. And it seemed like a lot of people liked that video. And yeah, so I just want this. I told you on that video I would probably shoot a video showing you how I do the ICT stuff. Now you could do this for any mentor. This is not promoting ICT because he doesn't need it. He's so great. So you can use this for your own mentor, whoever you follow. Okay. Now before I get into this, I had a few people say, "Well, why are you not predicting price? You say you can predict price." Listen, yes, I can predict price, but I didn't say I could predict price every week. Okay, based on my analysis for this week, I can't predict price. See what I'm saying? Like I mean, I could, but I'm not going to get on camera unless I'm 100% confident. U.S. oil last week was a dead giveaway. I love trading dead giveaways. The way that candle opened on a daily chart, and that's how I knew it was going short. But you have to do research, okay? So let me explain this. Now, this is the ICT. This is my YouTube channel, okay? So what I do is this is ICT commentary. Do you see that right there? So if I click on ICT commentary, every time ICT start going on rants, every time he just start talking more than teaching in his videos, I have it all here, okay? Because the commentary is actually important. Contrary to popular belief, a lot of his commentary, and hopefully your mentor does a commentary where they just kind of talk about psychology. That's really a big deal. So a lot of people get mad at ICT because he rant and he talk, but that's actually a lot of teachings in there, you know. And I'm glad me and other people that follow ICT understand that. Hopefully your mentor does that. You know, it's probably a shame if they don't. Okay, so what is this? Education, ICT. Okay, so I have a lot of I'll show you what this folder down there is for. That's my Google Drive, okay? You should have a Google Drive folder as well for whatever training mentor you follow. It should Gmail give you a free Google Drive account, okay? So I'll go to that later. So let me just go through all of this here because I think people thought I was lying or trying to make myself sound cute, man. It's just real shit. I'm sorry. Like some people really put in a lot of work, man. That's why they have the results they do. So this is ICT, One Trade Setup for Life. This is the daily trading model that I'm actually focusing on right now for day trading. Okay. Actually, I'm not going to click on those each folder because I see every time I click on it, it's starting me all over, showing you guys all my other playlists that I don't want you to see. I just want you to see the ICT stuff. Okay. So I'm not going to click on the other one. So let me just keep going down. So we got One Trade Setup for Life, 12 videos. ICT 1050 to 1150 macro, 3 videos. Okay. ADR comments. Every time ICT talked about ADR, which is average daily range, I got 12 of his best videos in there. Even if like one of his students talk about it and it's really good, then I'll put it in there as well. Backtest refreshers. This is basically, if you see at the top, I'm going to just look at the top up there. It says backtest refresher. So basically what this is this is an area where it's stuff that you already back tested, but I still watch the videos. Like I was telling you guys in the, I'm not saying this like you got to be like me, like I'm somebody to be like. I'm just telling you what I do. And if you value what I do, if you value what you see on my YouTube channel, then I'm telling you how I've done it. I'm not saying you got to be like me or I'm somebody to be like. I'm just telling you what I do. And if you value what I do, then I'm just telling you how I do it. Backtest refreshers is basically the things that you've already backtested and you verified that ICT or whoever your instructor is. You still look at the videos. That's why I call it a refresher. This is backtest videos. Now check this out. And I feel bad about this, but it shouldn't be 67 videos in there because the backtest videos is the videos that you have not backtested yet. You have not sitting down with your coffee and your rap music. I think you should listen to rap music and whatever music you like when you're backtesting. But throughout the day, while you're doing your work and stuff like that, if you can put in some headphones and listen to ICT, even if you can't really look at the chart, just listen to the commentary. Because remember, you're not going to watch the video one time. You're going to be watching it 10 plus times. So even if you put it on 1.5x or 2x, some people may not agree with this, but I've trained my ears to, over the years, I've been listening to stuff I can actually listen to stuff on 3.5x, believe it or not, and really understand not ICT stuff necessarily, but other things I listen to for motivation. I can understand what people are saying because I've trained my brain to understand information at that speed because I want to hurry up and get through the information. So I can listen to it again and again and again and really get the meat and potatoes out of whatever I'm listening to. So what I'm saying is you can listen to it on 1.5x or 2.0, which is the fastest YouTube do, or you can go to Speed Controller on your computer and download a Chrome extension, and it can make the video go a little faster. So I'm not recommending that you do this because you may not have trained your ears to understand. I can listen to an ICT video on 2x, and then when he says something important, I slow it down to regular speed, and then I look at it. But you may not be at that level yet, okay? So this is the backtest videos. These are videos that you have not backtested yet, okay? Like you watched the video, but you have not physically sat down. That's why I say I'm kind of ashamed that I still have 67 videos in there. Now, I was like almost 200. Okay, I got it down to 67, but it really should be like fucking 15. You know, so that's something I got to work on. But these are things that I've looked at, the ICT teachers, that I kind of understand it, but I have not physically went into the chart and took my time and back tested it. Okay, a lot of these, it's not 67 strategies. A lot of these videos are kind of like the same stuff. There's probably about 6 strategies in here that make up these 67 videos. Okay, thanks for rocking with me. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share. Okay, I'm just showing you how I think you should break down ICT's playlist, or whoever the hell your mentor is. Okay, this is ICT bonds and commodity stocks. Now, I actually did a whole video like I'm doing now. I did this before, like a year ago. So I may actually post that video, or I may just do it in my archives. But that was a pretty good video too. But this one may be a little more clear to some better now. So ICT bonds, commodities, and stocks, okay? So in it, whenever the whole point of making these playlists is whenever you want to learn about bonds, commodities, and stocks, instead of trying to search through all ICT's videos, you just come here and you have it. But you have to go through all 500 plus videos. These are people who like die hard ICT. Now, if you're just a goddamn doctor or or some kind of manager at a store and you just want to stay there and just want to trade, leisurely, you don't have to do this kind of stuff. This is for the hardcore people. This is for the people who like, this is my thing. This is my, they want to go hard at trading. They just don't want to do it passively, okay? Now, this is ICT Breakers, 14 of his best videos right there, okay? So what I do is I recycle all the videos, and every time I hear anything about breakers where he kind of broke it down a little bit, I put it in this folder. Now, the whole video don't talk about breakers. He may just talk about breakers for 10 minutes out of a 2-hour video, but if he broke it down really, really good, then I'll go back to here. I'm like, I need to refresh up. I need to refresh up on my breakers. Like let's say I missed a move or I didn't make that much money. I'd be like, damn, I should have made more money on that if I would have saw that breaker more clearly. You know what? Let me go to this breaker playlist right here and actually refresh my skills. Boom, all his best videos right there. No ambiguity. It's all there. But you have to go through all 550 plus videos. It's going to take some time, but it'll be worth it. Every time you hear ICT, you can break it. You can literally screenshot this stuff I'm doing now because I've already been through all the videos. So it kind of would make sense to just screenshot everything you see right here and just create your own playlist like I did, right? ICT, CBR, flout, Asian range. Now, this is more for Forex. When ICT talk about Forex and stuff, I ain't gonna lie, I have been guilty of like fast forwarding to the end or kind of gapping through the videos because I know how to trade Forex, obviously, but I've been more on indices since ICT switched over to indices. Like I said, that's my religion. So if ICT not fucking with Forex, I'll still do it here and there, but I'm focusing on what he's focusing on because that's my religion. Okay. So I'm saying you got to pick somebody. But that's still a mistake, though, because he's still teaching about market structure. So, I told myself I'm not going to do that again. But I have probably skipped through 6 videos. But, I have a section called CB, Central Bank Dealers Range, Flout, and Asian Range. So anytime you talk about that, I put the videos in that section. Now, this is ICT Consequent Encroachment Teachings. Like I said, I told you guys on that video, I think you thought I was lying. I'm telling you the fucking truth, man. These are the videos. ICT Consequent Encroachment. I should have way more videos than one in there. I don't know what the hell that's about. But this is when he's teaching about consequent encroachment, which is 50% of a range or an order block. That's mean threshold, but 50% of a fair value gap or something like that. Excuse me. The next one is downloaded already. So what I do is I download my, I'm kind of hardcore with this shit, man. I'll probably be the only person doing this shit I'm talking about right now. I don't think it's anybody else out there that's going to go hard like this. But just in case it is, okay, so even the ICT commentary, let me go back up. Even ICT commentary stuff you see right here, what I do instead of listening to rap music all day or Jay-Z and all that, like you probably do, I still listen to some of that stuff, especially when I'm back testing. But throughout the day, even sometimes when I'm in the gym, I'll go to the commentary at the top here and I'll download the video and then I'll come back here. Like I said, I know this is overkill, but like I said, when your life depends on it, you do shit like this. If you're playing with it, if it's a plan B, if it's an option, you won't do this. So and the results will show. So here's ICT's downloaded already playlist. So these are stuff I already downloaded, okay? So I can keep track, so I don't keep downloading the same things. This is on my actual cell phone, so I can listen to it while I'm walking around in the neighborhood or whatever, and just really get into capture the whole spirit of ICT. That's my whole point. Okay, Fibonacci structure. Now this is important. ICT, the way he teaches Fibonacci is light years away from anything I've ever seen. Okay, because he uses something called quarter points, but micro quarter points, the 50s, the 20s, and the 80s. Okay, and then big figures, 0, 0, 0. So he kind of break that down. He actually put the Fibonacci on the quarter points versus on the high and the low of a wick. Okay, so it's a little deep, but I need to back test that more as well. See, it's always work to do. I never said I was a master. I'm not a master yet. I speak into existence that I am a master, like ICT or better. But, you know, I only been in this game 2 years. You know, I have more to go, but I am past an intermediary for sure. So here's ICT fundamentals. What is it? COT. Okay, so the COT is the commitment of traders. Yeah, so anytime you talk about commitment of traders, interest rates, seasonal tendencies, I put all the videos in there. Let me try to speed this up. Fair value gap. All the fair value gap videos are in there. Higher time frame scalping. I put all the videos in there. Imbalance, rebalance. This is really important. Imbalance, rebalance, and reprice ranges. I put all the videos in there. Okay, inversion fair value gap. Put all the videos in there. This is extremely important. If the 120 data range. When I found out how this shit worked, that's when I really was like, I probably can get on camera and tell somebody I'm the shit and not feel like a fraud. You know what I'm saying? Not feel like I'm just talking to sound cute. Like, because this 120 if the data range is crazy, man. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. So, and this is the ICT live day trading. So anytime ICT has a lot of videos on his channel where he doesn't have any audio, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I've been guilty of this. I actually had a friend tell me, he said it's a lot of value in those videos with no audio. And I'm kind of, you know, keeping it real. I haven't actually, because it don't have any audio, I haven't really sat down and watched these videos really. I probably watched maybe half in here, but it don't have any audio. So I said I'll go back in here one day and just kind of go through these videos, but it don't have any audio. So all you have to read a lot of text, and I really like the audio. So, you know, I do need to go back in this list right here. That's why it's 85 videos in there. Okay, London Kill Zone, best videos on London Kill Zone, mega trades, ICT talk about that. That's something I need to look at again. I need to do more work with seasonal tendencies. With the company that he said you should go to is called damn, I forget the name of the company, but it's in all his videos. Okay, mitigation blocks, very important. All his best videos in here. Look, this video right here that says ICT mitigation blocks, that's not even ICT, that's one of his students. But the way he teach it was so fire, I had to put it in here. Okay, market maker buy and sell model. I mean, this is all ICT's best stuff. Money management. He talk a lot about money management. ICT narrative. Okay, there's gonna be a lot more videos in here because as he's always posting like 2 videos a week now. So I'm constantly going through those videos as well. He actually posted, I've got about 10 videos that I have not looked at that he posted in the last 2 weeks. So I still have to look at those videos and then put those videos in their proper playlist. Does that make sense? ICT new week opening gap, new day opening gap. Okay. ICT, oh God, nah, I got to go back through the whole playlist again. Sorry. I'm about to end this video soon. Hold on. It's a lot of playlists, guys. I'm sorry. Like, I'm going into detail. I just want to help somebody who's really serious about this stuff. It may not be somebody today. It may be somebody 6 months from now, 2 years from now, 7 years from now watching this. You know, I really want to help somebody out, man. A real one gonna come across my channel and be like, God damn, that's a real one. You know, these other fucking people playing around with this shit. Okay, so advanced gap theory. Okay, look at the videos. 15 is the best videos. ICT New York session focus structure rules. Actually, let me screenshot this because I need to add the videos in this to my other playlist. ICT order block. Okay, 14 of his best videos. ICT one shot, one kill, swing trade. Okay, ICT PD array matrix. All the videos where he talked about PD arrays, they in there. Raw market structure. I told you there's 137 videos in there. Well, actually, I was wrong. 153. I'm on video number 7 now. I watched 4 of them since yesterday when I did the video. Okay, so high and low session, SIBI, BISI, silver bullet. Okay, SMT divergence, high swing high, swing low, top down analysis. It's a lot, guys. I'm sorry. It's a lot. Trade position management, which is very important. Correlated index hacks. ICT buy sell model, because the first one you saw was the buy model. This is all the sell model videos. Liquidity runs, all his best videos. ICT PM. Now you don't have to learn all this stuff. ICT say just choose one or two, but like I said, I'm kind of crazy about this shit. I want to learn everything and then kind of pick and choose what I wanted to learn from. So that's it. Okay, so that's the ICT videos, and I just want to show you my is it still recording? Okay, I just want to show you the folder right here, okay, on Deal Surgeons, okay, Diamond Life. Okay. Oh, I don't know if I want to show all my email addresses like that. But let's see. Okay. Nothing too crazy. All right, so okay, so we got Money Managed, we got DeFi, Trader Psychology, New York Session, S&B Capital, US 30 Glory, Jessica, Fibonacci, because I learned a lot from Fibonacci from Jessica. Institutional market structure. Okay, so I got my models right here. I'll go into this at another day because this video is not about this, but I have all my own models that I created on my own from learning from ICT. Okay, and then I have ICT stuff. Okay, because when I go to institutional market structure, this means ICT, top-down analysis. These are all the screenshots. Okay, because you should be having screenshots as well of when you watch these videos. You shouldn't just be going through the videos, just watching them. When you hear something important, you have to screenshot and write on your screen. Hopefully you got a phone where you have a pen where you can just write stuff down. But every time, he talk about SMT divergence, even though I already know how it works, I'm still going to screenshot it and put his best stuff in there. Even when I'm back testing, so that's what I'm saying. These folders are for screenshots up the 120-day range. Okay. ICT Fibonacci, the way he do Fibonacci, you should have screenshots. Like he said, like I said right here, I said, put the fib on the price levels that is working. That's what ICT said. He said, what level is price working? I mean, you guys should have screenshots, order blocks. Okay, I got bullish order blocks, bearish. Have screenshots with notes on it. Look, I got notes on here. Use mean threshold when you see a large candle like this. Okay, I'm actually going to do something. This is actually part of my sauce series. This is part of the sauce series that I've started. I'm actually going to put this video in my folder on YouTube called Sauce Series, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to start shooting videos with my best screenshots from ICT. But I have a lot of screenshots I have not reorganized yet. It's a lot. See all these screenshots right here? I have not organized these yet, which is a shame. But I have, I have a lot of shit in here. A lot of screenshots. Where your screenshots at? Where your screenshots at? Hello? These are all ICT's trainings. Where your screenshots at? Do you have thousands of screenshots? People think I'm fucking playing out here. People think I'm trying to sound cute on camera. Look at this. I have so many screenshots. I mean, I haven't even organized all these things yet. I mean, I should have organized them. I'm just saying, like, you got to have a shitload of screenshots, people. Even from other people's videos. This is not ICT. This is one of his students. Let me end this video, man. I just want to show you the how to organize ICT's videos and how to take screenshots and create a whole separate set of folders on your Google Drive folder, which is what this is. Okay. So this is Diamond Life. Appreciate you guys listening. I know this was kind of long. I'm really just trying to help, man. I'm not saying I'm better than you or I know more than you. I'm just trying to show you what I'm doing. And if you think what I'm doing is cool, then I'm trying to show you how I got this way. Thanks for watching.